Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today I will be going to solve one CTF challenge from open source intelligence category which was in my recent cybersecurity hackathon in my country sponsored by Ignite, and I will be going to show you how to solve that challenge, and I will be going to show you my complete methodology, how I solved it during my competition. So that being said, let's jump in. Now I already have downloaded the image, and this one was from open source intelligence category which was provided to us, and there is a description which has been provided to us because the challenge has now been ended and there is no way that I can find these two files. So I just downloaded them onto my system, and let's see what is the image and let's see what is the description. So to see the image I will do eog seeker.jpg, and right here this is the image, and while this is I will just open my description as well, and let's see what does the description says. So the description says right over here, if I just do it like this, okay, so it says, "Hi agent, welcome to the Cyber Good Cop. We have recovered this picture of one of the agents of Cyber Evil Cop. They call him Seeker. Hunt him down and uncover their next move." So what we need to do is we need to find out someone, we need to see what is the next move, and might be possible that the next move can be a flag. So let's see what is in this image. So right here in this image, what the only thing which is looking interesting is the text which is in behind it, this person. So first thing first, what I will always do is I will directly jump over to the browser and I will do a quick reverse image Google search. So if I just go to reverse image Google search, right here I will be going to have a lot of links. The one which is interested in images.google.com, because on images.google.com I can upload images. So right over here, upload a file, and I will come here to my home, hackathon, open source intelligence, seeker.jpg, open, and let's see what we got. So right here I can see I am having a lot of interesting things. Right over here there are some YouTube videos, SoundCloud, Twitter, nothing interesting really looking. The other thing what I am really interested in this text which is written behind. So I will just click on this text and I will click on copy, or I can see what it says right over here. Doesn't work. So if I copy this complete text, so copy all, copy, and right over here it says on Google nothing found. So what I can do is I can again try to quickly do a Google search, nothing found over here. I can also go to bing.com as well to see whether Bing is giving me something interesting with this text or no. So nothing interesting really. So what I will do is, the next thing which I can do is I can try to go to detect this language, and what language is this. So I can say, I think so that is Google Translator. And if I just paste that text over here, and it says this is the language, and after converting it into English it says Asian, and again I don't know what this word is, and then there is Dewey. So I will copy this again, go to Google and paste this text, whether I can find something interesting. Nothing right over here as well. So that is one thing. The other thing which I can try to do is, nothing found until here from Google. So I can try to say Seeker hacker. Let's see what it says. So it's there might be something which might be interesting right over here, but I don't see anything. There is one GitHub repository which is saying Seeker. So let's see what is in this one. So this is a complete GitHub repository, Seeker, Black Arc, and nothing interesting right over here which I can see. This is for IP geolocation. No, how it is different from IP. So concept behind Seeker is simple. Just like we host phishing pages to get credentials, why not host a fake page that requests your location like any. So this is something sort of related with phishing. So nothing really interesting. So after going through all these things, doing a lot of Google search, what I figured out is that why not trying to do the finding out the metadata of this image. So for that I will use exif tool, seeker.jpg, and right here in there was huge amount of metadata right over here. So if I just see it from here, one thing which was looking really interesting to me was there was a username, and this username is at evil seeker, and I can also see the author here, cyber evil corp. But the one which was really interesting was this one, and I will copy this one. And now there are different methods which we can do for username enumeration. We can use some tools, we can do quick Google search. So if I go to google.com and paste that username over here, it says evil seeker David Palmer, and then there is evil seeker over here as well. And I exactly don't know which language is this one, so let's see what is this language. So translator, Google, paste, and this language is Russian. So this can be interesting somewhere. So these all are basic points which I'm looking. So evil seeker 1 is here. I'm not interested in evil seeker 1. There is one on TikTok which is called David Palmer. So let's see what it says. So this is a TikTok account and this has no content in here. There are 3-4 following, 300 followers. Let's see followers if we can. No, I need to log in from to do that. So that is fine. Let's see what else do we have. So what was on, okay, so I close that tab. Let's see what is this. So all of this is Russian. So let's go to Google and again say evil seeker, and evil seeker right over here is only one account, and then there is this Russian language which I exactly don't know, but there is again evil seeker as well. So one thing which I can try over here is with evil seeker, I can try to, because this is a username, there is a script called Sherlock on GitHub which is normally used to detect for usernames. So what I can do is I can quickly utilize this one, and I need to git clone this one. So just quickly cloning this one onto my system. So git clone, paste, and we do have Sherlock over here. So clone successfully. If I do ls, if I cd into Sherlock, and if I do ls over here again, I need to install the requirements. So pip install -r requirements.txt, and it will download all of the requirements which are required to actually run Sherlock. Done. And now I will do ls again, cd into Sherlock, ls, and there is that Python script. So if I do python sherlock.py, it should run, and there you go. So now I just need to pass it the username, I believe. So if I do at evil seeker, let's see if it finds usernames or no, and it will try to find out this username on every site, every social media site which it can. So while this is going on, one more thing which I can do is I can try to search this user on different websites or different search engines like Google, Bing, or any other search engine. Since this looks like to me a Russian language as well, or because when I first saw this image right over here, so eog seeker.jpg, if I saw this image, the first thing was right over here which I can see, I thought this is Russian again. So all clues are going towards Russian, and we do have a lot of accounts as well. Now one thing is that I can click on every link again and again, and I can try to search on it, and that is a pain. But when I was doing this challenge, I actually went through all of these links one by one, but I was unable to find out anything. The other thing which I can do is I can try to find out that okay, this is some Russian person. If it is that, I can also try to do Russian search engines. I can try to find out those. So if I say Russian search engines, because Google might not give us something, because normally in bug bounties we normally do a lot of times that we do search on Google, we search on Bing, we search on Yahoo. So that's a part. So it says Russian in internet search engines are aport. So I can go to aport right over here. So aport, if I do search engine, Not found right over here. I think so this one it is. So apod.ru. RU means Russian. So right here I can try to do at evil seeker. And this complete language is in Russian. So that will be very hard for me to understand if I can translate this one. No. So let's see what is the second one. Rambler. So if I go to, I think so it is rambler.com. Let's see if this works. Doesn't, I think so. If I go to Rambler, yeah, it says it is 403 forbidden. So might not be working. Then there is Yandex. Let's see what it is. If I go to Yandex, oh, we do have a website, so yandex.com. And if I search here for at evil seeker, oh, we do have some sites right over here. And right here, this the TikTok one I just visited, but there are some other ones as well. Twitter was already there. This one Russian was also there, but this one was not on Google. So if I try to open this one, what it says, and it says evil seeker right over here, joined 26 September 2023. Now the date is very important. It is matching, and there is a video as well. Let's play the video, because date is important because it says 1 month ago. So might be possible that the one who is making this CTF might be making this 1 month ago since my competition. So that is a clear hint over here. So let's play the video, and it says python 3 secret server.py, and it says hey seeker. So as we saw in my description, it says welcome to cybergood corp, and it says there is a person, one agent of cyber evil corp. They call him seeker. So hunt him down and uncover their next move. So let's see what is their next move. It says there's a disaster. Our C2 password has been leaked publicly on this site. Delete is as soon as possible. So this is again a clear hint to us that it says it's publicly on this site. So this can be definitely where my flag is. So if I go to Google and if I search here for this site, let's see. Oh, it says it is not found. And again, a lot of research and a lot of experience is required over here. It says this site is not found. So again, while we are doing bug bounties, whenever we find pages which does not exist, we try to find out those pages once they were existing, right? So what we can try to do is we can go to web archive, I believe. So web archive, archive.org, and I can try to see whether that website was existing before somewhere. So if I paste that link over here, browse history, and there you go. It says right over here that in 2023 it has been, there are 2 times or 2 sites, I believe. Let's see, one of them is 11th of November, the second one is 26th of September. So I'm interested in the backwards one, 26th September. So I will click on this one and let's see what is on this site. If that site exists, which is 542, and looks like it exists, and this time it is different one. So let's play this video, and it is running again. Secret server py, secret server started waiting for connections, and again greetings seeker and good news, and this time it is a different one. So let's see what it says. Okay, so you may access our C2 server using the following password, and there you go, we have the password, and that is actually the flag. So this was all about this challenge, all about a lot of googling, a lot of different things. This was not too much realistic, but still that's how CTF challenges are. So that was all about this video. I hope you will like it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.